What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pansis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Today we are back at it again with my 2011 Saab 9.5. We just purchased new tires this week and had them installed. So no more flat tire on that rear tire there. Everything is nice and brand new. But in the interim, since the tires are off still on the rear, I'm going to replace the rotors and the brake pads, because if you guys take a look at these rotors, they've been around the block a couple times, and if you look at the pads, they are pretty short on what's left on the meat. So I figured since I'm here, might as well go ahead and change them out. And also, since I'm in here, I'm going to also take off this inner liner here. We got some plastic rivets, a couple 10mm nuts, a couple screws, and try to do a little rust prevention in here since there's some rust, and you know, do what we can to preserve this car since we're here. So let's hop into it. Alright, so for the record, guys, we got, for the brake, caliper, rotor, everything, we got a T30 on the bolt, we got 13mm on the caliper, and a 15mm on the brake bracket. And then around here we have, again, these small screws here, a couple 10mm around, and a couple clips. And you guys can see the condition inside here. It's not terrible, but it's not ideal either, so we're gonna go ahead and just treat it a little bit and put it back together. Alright guys, here are the old pads. There's some meat left on them, but if I show you the rotor here, the rotor was pretty shot up, so definitely not a bad idea to just replace this with new fresh hardware while we have new tires and new everything else. Alright guys, so everything is better here. Gonna go ahead and put the underliner fender in. Should be decent. I mean, it's a little wet to the touch here, so maybe I'll let it sit for a little longer. But anyways, we got the rotor off on this side and the brakes, and off camera I went ahead and just hosed these down, so they're nice and clean, no more dust. I'm gonna go ahead and just install this one while that side is still drying. Keep you guys posted. All right, boys. Fresh rotors and pads on the rears. Fresh rubber on all 4 tires. I'm gonna finally get this thing down off the ground, off the stands, take it for a ride around the block. All right, guys. This pretty much concludes this project. Tires, brakes, everything is like solid on this car. Pump up the brakes. It's running nice, quiet. Ugh. Sweet. Take it around the block real quick, because you can. Let me go this way. Oh yeah, it's much quieter in the back now. Now we don't have any rust in the rotors. Fresh tires. Dude, this thing is so sweet, guys. What a nice car. Brakes are working great. Perfect. Yeah, much quieter, the car. Oh man. All right, guys. If you guys enjoyed this last video, please like, share, subscribe. Again, my name is Kyle Pansis. We're not done with this car. I am waiting on a entertainment system. We're gonna get rid of this old school factory radio here and put in an updated double-din screen from Android, so we can install a reverse camera and have Bluetooth, radio, something better than what it is, obviously. So it should be good. It should be shipping this week, actually, or it should be shipped, so I'll find out the details there. But in the interim, we got this thing fully detailed, fully fixed, new tires, brakes are all good. The only last thing I gotta do really is change the oil, but that's not that big of a deal. So pretty exciting about that. But there you guys have it. Everything is solid. Full walk around tour. Brakes are running nice. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.